Hey guys, that one guy here, and this is pretty creepy. So I got 31-0 on Foundry, Team Snipes, and I got 10 germs because I was spawn killing. The weirdest thing you might have noticed is this. I got 2 perfections, and it's win a game of Slayer without dying, with at least 15 kills, but how did I get 2? I also got the kill factor, but if you guys could tell me how I could find out how to get 2 perfections, I don't know how, but that'd be really, really cool. So, and also I'd like to give a shout out to BXG Machinima. He's a good friend on Xbox, and he has good machinimas in his file share. He has a YouTube channel, that's BXG Machinima. His Xbox is BXGW11. So yeah, that's about it. Go check him out, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.